welcome to MedTech World Dubai 2025. I'm here with Jackie Grech. She is representing Malta Enterprise. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you very much for the invitation. It's always a pleasure.
Jacqueline, so today we have the pleasure to have you as part of our judges for the Startup Pitch competition. So let's talk about what are you looking for to see on stage.
Okay, so it's my first time judging on a panel, judging startups, although I work with startups every day. I look for startups that are bringing something new to the table, that have an innovative edge. I'm looking for startups that have passionate founders, that have founders, with skin in the game. And I'm looking for those startups that maybe really focus on giving patients, we are in medtech, patients a better quality of life. So that's my goal today.
Indeed. So you have the big name of Malta Enterprise today. So how have you seen the ecosystem in here, and what's the insight that Malta is bringing to the region?
So in Malta, we're really trying to create a holistic ecosystem where startups and any company can really thrive. When it comes to medtech, there are so many pieces of the puzzle that need to come together. So as a government enterprise, a government economic development agency, we do more than just fund startups. That is one of our goals, obviously, and bringing new startups to Malta, but also helping them thrive and helping them grow in a welcoming ecosystem. So that is what we try to do.
Today we have startups from around the world. So indeed, that's going to be like a very good experience from Malta to maybe attract them as well. So what's the goal actually for these
Yes.
startups?
So the goal then from Malta Enterprise, wearing the Malta Enterprise hat, not as a judge, is to try and show them that Malta could be a very good launch pad, especially if they're trying to enter the European market. Malta is a very tiny country, and we acknowledge that, but it could be a really, really great hub to establish your European company. So they'll have good access to the market, but also to European funding, for example, to excellent service providers that will help them in their journey, like to carry out their clinical studies, to carry out their regulatory affairs. Working from different jurisdictions. Obviously, every jurisdiction, if we look at the Asian, the Gulf, there are different regulations in play. So you need to become very familiar with the jurisdiction you're trying to enter. And Malta could be a very good place for that.
Indeed, MedTech World has the support from Malta Enterprise from Malta Enterprise from the very beginning. So how has been this collaboration so far?
So it's always been a pleasure to support MedTech World, and we hope to continue doing so. For us, it's a win-win because we try to give you the support that you need, and for us, it's an excellent platform for networking, not only with companies, but with really global leaders and players in the field. So for us, it gives us a lot of contacts, a lot of information as well. Like today, the sessions have all been really interesting. It's our first time in Dubai with a medtech perspective. So as well, we've been learning a lot about the region itself and the UAE and how they've been growing and how much priority they're giving to the medtech sector, which for us is something new as well. So we're looking at now identifying potential collaborations, potential partnerships. So that is all thanks to medtech, or else we wouldn't be here.
Well, Jacqueline, thank you again for being with us, and we really hope to see you in upcoming roadshows.